Alright, our next example looks like this. It says a price reduction on digital camera. Your local computer store is having a terrific sale on digital cameras. After a 40% price reduction, your purchase a digital camera for $276. What's the camera's price before reduction? Alright, so that's what we're looking for. So we want to know the camera's price before discount. Oops, I forgot my C. Alright, that's what X is going to represent. Well, how do you take a discount? There's a couple ways to do this. One way is to go ahead and say, well, you're going to take the camera's cost, X, and you're going to decrease it by 40%. The way you write 40% is a decimal, decimal 4 of that cost. So that's one way to write our problem. You can start with your original amount and then take off 40% of the original amount, and that will give you your how much you paid. Or another way to think about it is if you are taking 40% off of the price, then what you're actually paying is 60% of the price. And if you look at your problem and you realize that this has a coefficient of 1, when you combine like terms, you add or subtract their coefficients. 1 minus decimal 4 is actually decimal 6. So you're taking 40% off, so that actually means you're paying 60% of the price. So to finish up our equation, we know that after the discount we paid this, and what we're trying to do is figure out how much did we originally start with. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll divide by decimal 6 on both sides. When you do that, that's going to cancel. Again, dividing by a decimal, so we'll say 276, 0 over 6 is equivalent. So that's a little bit easier for us. 6 will go into 27 4 times, I believe, and that'll leave me 36. So what I got from my problem is that little camera cost $460 originally. Alright, sounds good. And of course, we can always check our answer by plugging it in and take 40% off of this and see if it actually gets that. So feel free to check your problem and just make sure it works.